As one of ProjectManager's 4 project views, the list view is a simple, powerful way to manage tasks. Bringing important data to the forefront, team members can focus on staying productive while collaborating with one another and staying connected to the overall project plan. Here's the basics. A task list or project can easily be imported from other programs like Excel or Microsoft Projects, or created from scratch. Give new tasks a name and add details like a description, due dates, a to-do list, and even view summary tasks and create subtasks, which are synced to the Gantt chart and other project views. But more on this later. Simply update progress and mark tasks as complete as you go, and data will automatically update throughout the software. This way, no matter your preferred view, project managers and team members are always kept in the loop. You'll notice that there are several columns at the top of the list, such as assignee, progress, priority, parent task, and more. Customize columns and click the Column tab to sort your tasks in a way that suits you and your team. Another way to organize tasks is by using filters. Let's say you need to focus on high-priority graphic design tasks. Quickly bring those to the top so nothing gets lost in the mix. This space is yours. Customize it how you want it without affecting the view of the rest of your team members, who you can collaborate with and will be kept up to date with alerts and in-app notifications. Stay connected while staying focused, and if you need to zero in even further, visit the My Work section to see only tasks that are assigned to you. While this space is yours, your task list is synced to all views in the software, including the project plan and the Gantt chart. This way you're plugged into the overall plan, but don't have to immerse yourself in the complex project details of the Gantt chart. The summary tasks and subtasks in the Gantt chart are reflected in the list view. Even create new subtasks and complete an entire summary task with the click of a button. With the list view, you have it all. Simple yet powerful ways to execute tasks, collaborate with your team, and stay connected to the overall project plan. Sign up now for your free 30-day trial.